The run was crazy. Usually after ng recovery week, meron ding talagang nag-improve. However, hindi ko talaga in-expect yung improvement. Sobra siya. So I hit PR easily. Kamusta kapatid? Takbohista ka na ba? Today is Tuesday, June 30, 2026. And dito na ako mag-shoes kasi first time ko susubukan magmotor. Papunta na lang doon. So magmamotor na lang ako. Anyway, ang program natin today is 6-kilometer intervals. Bali, 2-kilometer easy, 135, 2-kilometer hard, and then 2-kilometer easy. Gusto ko ngang 1-kilometer, 1-kilometer. Pero ang hirap kasi 6 kilometers eh. Anyway, today nakatulog ako na maayos and may maayos na kain. So, in-expect ko maganda yung takbo. Ang problema ko ngayon, parang uulan ng malakas. Hindi umaraw all day. So, nandyan yung fear na baka umulan. Tsaka nakamotor ako. I think iwanan ko na rin yung camera dito para wala na talaga akong mga dala-dala doon. Anyway, okay naman yung katawan. Walang masakit. Warm up na lang ako maya-maya. And then, takbo na. Right now, it's 3:30. Tingnan natin kung makakatakbo tayo agad. And tingnan natin kung ano matututunan natin sa takbo natin today. Anyway, it's Gretche at ako isang takbohista. Vroom. Okay, so ayun o, nakauwi na ako and hindi na kasi ako nagdala ng camera doon sa run spot kasi nakamotor lang ako and first time ko siyang ginawa and it's fun. So I'll probably ride the motorcycle from this day on. And dito na rin siguro ako makakapag-update, hindi na sa kotse. Anyway, the run was crazy. So, after ng recovery week, usually after ng recovery week, meron ding talagang nag-improve. However, hindi ko talaga in-expect yung improvement. Sobra siya. I wasn't tired. Yung easy ko was faster. And then yung hard ko is even faster. So, I hit PR easily. Sure, medyo nag-effort ako doon sa hard kilometers, no? Pero it wasn't that hard na parang ubos na yung hininga ko. And while running, alam ko na parang, parang ang gaang ng katawan ko, ang gaang ng pakiramdam ko. I'm sure, kasi hindi ako masyadong tumingin din sa relo. I was sure na I was faster, I was moving quicker and easier. And siguro nakadagdag na rin yung weight loss ko, no? Kasi naglo-lose ako ng weight every week. So maybe it's part of it, right? Tignan natin yung resulta. Sharan! 6 kilometer. Bro, 7.54 kilometers average pace. First time ko yata nag-7. And then yung heart rate ko is only 153 BPM. Imagine, zone 2 ko to before. Zone 2 ko to before. So ang 6 kilometer ko is only 47 minutes 29 seconds ngayon. And look at that. Splits, man. It's crazy. Now, kung maghahanap ako sa previous runs ko ng kapareho ng BPM, so may nakita ako, no, for a 6 kilometer na same 153 BPM, ito yung nakita ko, man. It's 153 BPM, 6 kilometer easy. So 8 average pace, 153, and I called it easy. So you know, na-realize ko sa takbo na to na parang hindi ko namamalayan, nag-i-improve ako. It was always the plan to continue the schedule, trust the process, no? Pero nakagulat yung week by week meron kang improvement. Siguro para itong bodybuilding na habang beginner ka, malaki talaga yung improvement. Then later on, nagpa-plateau, ano? So hopefully hindi ganyan. Hopefully tuloy-tuloy yung improvement natin and gagawin lang natin yan every single day. Nakaka-excite tuloy tumakbo every day because of all these results. Well, bukod sa magandang takbo today, isa sa pinaka-memorable for today is the first time riding a motorcycle. It's fun. Okay, so medyo mahaba na yung video. I guess that's it for today. So, takbohista ka na ba? Maraming salamat for watching. Have an amazing rest of your day. See you guys on the next one.